Hi guys, Arthur here, DNA Realty Group. Welcome to 26 Barker Road in Malden. It's a great street and a great piece of property we have coming to the market soon. We have 2 bedrooms behind me, both good size, and a bathroom, all renovated. This whole place has been painted, shiny hardwood floors, and you have an eat-in kitchen right behind me. You walk out to the back deck, it's all renovated in a great size backyard. 2 parking spaces in the front, and this kitchen has been all remodeled. Everything is new in this house. 2007 is the heating system, the roof is newer, the kitchen has been updated last year. Granite countertops, stainless steel Maytag appliances, and you have an additional bonus room in the basement with another 200 square feet or so. Great piece of property in Malden, convenient to everything. You got the bus, literally a walking distance. You're right off of Route 1, 26 Barker Road in Malden. For more information, reach out to us or check out www.dna-realty.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.